Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG TV that has WebOS. First thing is go to settings on your LG TV. You can go to settings if you have a settings button on your remote. If not, just go to the home page on your TV, press on the home button, and then you can just navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. So just like move left and go up, up, up. Left, oh, gotta go down right there. Select that. And then the settings is highlighted white. Select it again. Give it one moment. It's spinning right there. Now from here in the left pane, we're going to go down one to sound. So go to sound. Select OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to sound out. Select that. And so the sound out, we're gonna, sound out is currently coming out of the TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these these earbuds. So we're gonna go down to use wireless speaker. Oops, go down, use wireless speaker right there. Select that, and then we're gonna select on Bluetooth device right there. And now see that on the bottom, that little thing, that little spinny thing, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode, okay? So here's the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. Now I know that they're in pairing mode if it's blinking white up here. The two lights is blinking white slowly, okay? Mine's not. Let me just manually put this in a pairing mode for myself. There's a button back here. I'm gonna press and hold for 2 seconds. Ready, go, press and hold. Or just wait until it turns blue, okay? Now it should start blinking blue slowly, as you can see right there. So it's in pairing mode, all right? It's still spinning, it's still searching. It found it already. Bose Open Earbuds, highlight it, and then select on OK on the remote. Give it 1 second. Okay, I get an error here. Let me just click on retry here. Let me see if this works. Yep, okay, there we go. Now we're connected, you can see right down there, okay? Now, so we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues, can't put it in the pairing mode or problems connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.